Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing 7 Hertz Timeless, or 7 Hertz Sound Notes Timeless, or I don't know. I don't even know what Sound Notes is, but that's just what I'm going to be opening. I basically bought this for a few reasons. This is my most expensive purchase, I think, for an IEM so far, but it was really hyped like a year ago. Nowadays, maybe not so more. I think there are a bit more competitors in that price bracket, and there's also like even a planar in that price bracket. The Q the Zetian Wu Heyday edition, which seems to now be the new crown. But essentially, I kind of wanted basically to feel what that fake or what detail is, or what people perceive as detail in terms of an IEM or technical performance. I kind of wanted to try to like myth bust, maybe see what these people were talking about. Which is, I guess I would assume, is these like the peaks in the treble region, which I would assume why people would think that. But I kind of want to see what that sounds like. I also wanted to try out a planar, and while there was the S12, the Lesher S12, even though it was on sale, I was pretty tempted. But in the end of the day, I actually did not like the S12s. I actually wanted the one thing. People were saying the S12 was too bright, and also I wanted I preferred the design of the Timeless. The Timeless has a very interesting, and maybe at first I didn't like it as much, or I didn't like the Timeless design, but I kind of grew to like it. It's very cool. It's very unique. It's like a black circle. Lots of bubble wrap, 2 layers, and 2 layers of tape too. Check it. Saran wrap, 7 Hertz Timeless, 3.5, so it's the 3.5 millimeter version. Of course, because I don't have any balanced connections, or I don't use balanced connections. And one thing that I guess maybe I would have liked is like all the connections in one cable, like the S12 Pro. But that's okay. I'm not going to use them anyways, and I could always get aftermarket cable anyways. But it still would have been nice. You have a little thing on the back. No frequency response on the box. Very interesting. 14.8 diameter driver. That's cool. Okay, which side is this going to be? Let's do front. Or the top. Alright, 7 Hertz. You have a little shine to it. Very interesting. Gonna open up. It's a very easy open up, not like the Apple type things that other company Truth Ear were doing. Truth Ear's ones was a little bit tight when taking it up. This one, very there was a lot of gap room. There's a ribbon, and there's a case. Auditory Revolution. Headphones are no longer cold equipment. Timeless feels the temperature of music with you, and that's pretty cool. I kind of like this. Makes it a little bit more premium. I don't know. Interesting. How am I gonna? Oh, this is why this is here, to pull out. I don't know how. Okay, there we go. That's why the ribbons were there. Oh, I need to go down here now and pull this up too. I guess it's always gonna be from the. Gotta inch it. Is it only down from the top? Oh, okay. You have this cold metal case, and okay, that's how it is. Interesting. This ribbon is free flowing. I guess they have to manually put that in. Just put this over here. Box. What is in the box? I'm gonna expect ear tips. I'm gonna expect manual, maybe. There we go. We got a set of ear tips in a plastic container. You got a set of blue and then the clear ones. You have a, oh, they're like blocky. I've never actually had these kind of blocky, stubby. They're kind of like that one candy, like a, I don't know, like a gumdrop. I'm not sure. Oh, there's the replacement filters, which are handy dandy, and then you have this little card thing, which I'm not sure what this card thing is. You open it up, and then you just get some stickers. Oh, you got a business card, warranty instructions. Okay, warranty. You get your little warranty card in Chinese. Oh, you got your stamp. Okay, this is my warranty stuff, so I should probably, in case, I should keep this stuff. That's cool. These can get in here. Oh, what? Another case? Another set of ear tips. Oh my gosh. Why is there so much ear tips? And they're different. And I'll have to try these. These kind of look like, I know they're not, but they like the shape of them is like Dunu SNS. I can't really hard to explain, but they're interesting. Bada bam. 2 sets in separate containers. Fine. Nothing else in here. All right. Where is my filters? Did I lose the filters already? They're probably somewhere. But yeah, essentially, I'm glad that they come with replacement filters. Da-da-da. Oh, here they are. Replacement filters. You only get 2 in total, 1 for each. And they come in this little tiny baggie. And then you have this really hard or really cold case. Open it up. Very nice. Nothing in here except the IEMs. They got these little on the sides. They're not. It's kind of hard to see, but they're black. But they got these tabs that you can stick your finger into. I don't know. They're not fully attached when you take it out, but after you smush it, now it fully fills. Maybe just a random user error thing. It's not adhesive in. Maybe I can take it out. I don't know. Simple cable. Roadie wrap. This cable feels kind of interesting. I've never had a cable like this, and this is not kind of like the texture I expect. Let's say that. Metal. Oh, they have these plastic on here that I guess I'll take off. And then this one. And that looks like everything. That seems to be it. Nothing really else in here. I don't want to lose these filters. They came in a it's way too large of a bag for what they are. And I'm just gonna, where is this? How do I open these though? Do I push in? There we go. Ear tips. Can I just put this in here with them? It'll look pretty ugly, but yep. And I kind of do want to see the fit on these. I just want to try these on real quick. Oh, it has one of these things on it. There is heat shrink for the ear hooks, I think. Whatever ear hook thing. I heard the fits were a little bit shallow, so I'm just going to put these on. I just want to have that initial impression. Oh yeah, they're pretty fine. They're pretty fine. Maybe I'll need they fit all right. Yeah, I wouldn't really complain about that. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. And that seems to be it. That looks like, I think I pretty much looked at everything in here. Box, I guess I'll just put everything away and stuff like that. That's really it. This is not, I just realized these aren't, this is like, what, 2 cords? I guess. Interesting. Alright, and I don't know what this is over here. This little red part is. It has like some lines on there. But yeah, that's really it. That's it. Bye-bye, guys.